Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to clear cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on, release power key. Then this kind of menu will appear, so here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, recovery mode. After you enter recovery, select clear data and then clear cache. Then confirm it, and after a few seconds cache will be wiped from your device, and now you can just restart it and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.